Teman-teman, hari ini kita masuk ke lesson 7, dialogues involving suggestions, invitations, offers, and requests. Yang pertama ada suggestions. Jadi suggestions adalah saran yang diberikan oleh speaker satu untuk speaker yang lainnya. Kalau untuk membuat suggestion, kalau kita memberikan sugesti, memberikan saran kepada orang, maka kita bisa ngomong, why don't you, why don't we, why not? Have you ever thought of? We might want to, atau you might want to. We could always, maybe we could. Try. How about? What if you? What about? Shouldn't you, atau shouldn't we? You should. Langsung ditaruh sarannya apa? If I were you, atau if I were in your shoes. Nah, mungkin bingung nih, kenapa kok I ketemu sama were sih? Seharusnya kan was. Nah, kalau yang were, itu boleh kalau itu ada if-nya. If I were you, khusus perumpamaan, maka subjeknya ketemu sama were. Kalau kita ngasih respon nih terhadap saran yang diberikan orang, kalau positif bisa bilang why not? Good idea. That's an idea. Sounds good to me. By all means. Why didn't I think of that? Atau that's worth a try. Thanks, I'll give that a try. Oke, coba yang negatif respon dibaca Kak Atika.
I don't think so. I don't believe so. I already took off that. I don't think that will work. Don't look at me. Can I take a rain check?
Oke, don't look at me. Berarti dia menolak ya, bukan jangan lihat aku kayak gitu. Jangan diartiin satu-satu. Kalau dibilang can I take a rain check? Nah, ini menolak khusus jika misalnya diajak misalnya, kamu mau makan gak sama aku? Can I take a rain check? Rain check berarti dia menolak, tapi bisa nggak sih kita lakuin di waktu yang lain? Mungkin karena saat itu dia lagi sibuk atau ada kegiatan. Boleh dibaca M1 Kak Aulia, M1, terus F1-nya Kak Siska.
I'm doing so poorly in math class. I think I'm going to have to drop it.
You know Frank? Kak Siska? Oke, Kak Flo boleh? You know Frank? Oke, nggak ada juga. Kak Rara ada?
Frank, you should talk to Professor DeMarco before you do anything. He's given special help to a lot of students who were having trouble.
Oke, thank you Kak Flo, Kak Aulia. What does the woman suggest Frank do? Nah, yang disuggestkan adalah you should talk. Nah, you should talk sama dengan discuss. Discuss permasalahannya dia dengan profesor. Nah, masuk sekarang ke invitation yang kedua. Kalau buat invitation bisa ngomong, shall we, could you like to, would you care to, would you be able to, want to, atau let's, do you want to, could you, can you, kayak gitu. Boleh dibaca sama, oke, Kak Atika, kalau yang positive response-nya? Yes, let's. Kak Atika ada? Oke, Kak Aulia? Yes, let's.
Yes, sure. Thanks. Sounds good. Alright, I'd love to. I'd like that. What a great idea. Sure, thanks for inviting me. If you want me to, don't mind if I do.
Oke, dia bilang, don't mind if I do.
Negative
Ya.
response.
Oke, boleh? Enough? Thank you. Don't mind if I do, dia bilang. Berarti dia mau ya. Maksudnya don't mind if I do lah, jangan keberatan kalau aku mau. Kalau misalnya dia ngundang kita untuk makan malam, oke, don't mind if I do. Jangan keberatan ya kalau aku makan. Berarti kita terima. Kalau negative response, biasanya nih, kalau ada kata but, berarti itu negatif. Misalnya dia bilang sorry, dia bilang suka, dia bilang mau. Tapi kalau ada but, berarti sebenarnya dia nggak mau. Misalnya, I'm sorry but I'd like to, but I'd love to, but thanks a lot. Udah bilang makasih. Terus ada tapi, misalnya, but I have another schedule, but my sister come to my house. Misalnya, that sounds nice, but I'll pass. Aku nggak dulu. Kayak gitu. Thanks for the invitation, but I don't think I'll be able to make it this time. Aku pikir aku nggak akan bisa deh pada kesempatan sekarang. Berarti dia menolak ya. Oke, Kak Flo, boleh bacakan
Kalau yang tadi check the rate.
rain check? Can I take a rain check? Yang ini?
Ya.
Dia nggak bisa gara-gara jadwalnya bentrok biasanya rain check. Makanya itu sama dengan artinya, boleh nggak sih kita lakuin di waktu yang berbeda? Karena dia mau waktu yang berbeda, berarti dia nolak ya saat ini. Oke, clear?
Ya.
Oke, good. Boleh Kak Flo M1, F1-nya Kak Atika ada nggak? Oke, F1-nya saya aja kalau nggak ada. Kak Flo bacakan M1.
To join us on Sunday, we're going to go on a picnic at the lake.
I'd love to, but I have a test Monday and I have to get ready for it. Question. What will the woman probably do on Sunday? Nah, karena Sunday-nya diajak nggak bisa, karena dia mau tes pada hari Senin, berarti kemungkinan dia akan belajar ya pada hari Minggunya. Soalnya kalau get ready for test, berarti kita cuman bisa belajar. Selanjutnya, offer. Nah, ini offer kayak kita mengajukan diri untuk membantu orang lain. Kalau membuat offer, misalnya mau mengajukan diri bantu orang lain, bisa ngomong, let me, shall I, would you like me to, do you want me to, can I, may I, should I could, kayak gitu. Kalau positive response, boleh dibaca Kak Aulia?
That would be nice. Yes, please. Please do. Sure, thanks.
Oke, kalau negatif, bisa ngomong, I don't think so, I'm afraid not, that won't be necessary. Oke, nggak perlu. Thanks anyway, dia ngomong makasih, tapi dia nggak mau. Please don't, tolong jangan. Kita coba baca contohnya. Oke, coba F1 dibaca Kak Siska, terus Kak Flo M1. Should I make, Kak Siska?
Belum di-unmute. Should I make reservation for dinner Friday night?
Thanks anyway, but
Oke, dia bilang thanks, terus ada but-nya. Tapi aku sudah membuatnya lebih dulu. What does the man mean? Kira-kira yang mana nih A sama D? A sampai D.
Alpa.
Dia nggak bisa pergi ke dinner. Should I make reservation for dinner? Kata si perempuan. Thanks anyway, but I've already made them. Tapi aku udah lakuin. Bukan dia nggak bisa pergi dinner ya, tapi dia
udah buat
sudah
reservation.
Oke, sudah membuat reservasinya terlebih dahulu. Yang Charlie. Oke, good ya. Rara juga yang Charlie. Sekarang request. Untuk meminta seseorang untuk melakukan sesuatu sesuai dengan keinginan speakernya. Kalau making request bisa ngomong could you, do you mind if, would you mind if, will you, may I, can you, atau can I. Nah, kalau positive response-nya, gimana Kak Siska?
I'd be glad to. I'd be delighted. Sure thing. So tell me, why not? If you want to, if you'd like, you bet.
Oke, terus ada not at all. Of course not. Ini kan negatif. Tapi kalau pertanyaannya negatif, do you mind if, kamu keberatan nggak kalau misalnya, do you mind if I give you this book, kamu keberatan nggak kalau aku ngasih kamu buku ini? Of course not. Enggak kok, nggak keberatan. Nah, berarti dia responnya positif ya. Kan pertanyaannya, kamu keberatan nggak kalau aku nitip ini misalnya. Do you mind if I borrow your pen? Bisa dibilang, not at all, enggak kok. Nah, berarti dia enggak keberatan. Atau would you mind? Nah, kalau ada kata mind, terus dibalas dengan not, berarti itu positif responnya. Negatif, ketemu negatif, positif. Itu gampangnya. Kalau responnya negatif, Kak Flo? Oke, Kak Flo, boleh dibacakan? Sorry, but.
Sorry, but I'm afraid not. I'd like to, but I wish I could. But I do. Actually, I would. I'm afraid I do. I'm afraid I would. As a matter of fact, I do. As a matter of fact, I would.
Oke, nah. Kalau misalnya, do you mind if I smoke? Kamu keberatan nggak kalau aku ngerokok? Actually, I do. Nah, dia positif atau negatif responnya? Do you mind if I smoke? Actually, I do. Itu positif atau negatif?
Negatif respon.
Oke, negatif. Kamu keberatan nggak aku ngerokok? Iya, aku keberatan. Nah, pertanyaannya negatif, dijawab dengan kata iya, berarti itu negatif. Misalnya, do you mind if I smoke? No, not at all. Pertanyaan negatif, responnya
Positif respon.
negatif, oke, positif berarti. Kita baca contohnya. M1 ngomong apa? I have to make one more phone call before I go. Sebelum aku pergi, aku harus nelpon nih. Terus si perempuan take your time. Take your time maksudnya slow aja, nggak usah buru-buru. Would you just lock the office door when you finish? Okay, what does the woman want the man to do? Kira-kira yang mana? A sampai D.
Alpha.
Alpha, lock the office ya. Would you just lock? Oke, langsung ada. Betul yang alpha. Nah, sekarang kita belajar ya. Yang mana nih? Kan belum hafal ya. Biar sekalian recall memory kita. Yang mana yang bentuk penolakan, yang bikin request, kayak gimana.
Number 2. Can
Sorry. Seharusnya nomor 1 dulu.
Exercise 7.1. Number 1.
May I help you?
Thanks, but I'm just looking around.
Oke, ini biasa ya di toko-toko. May I help you? Misalnya kata penjaganya, no. I just looking, thanks, but I just looking around. Nggak apa-apa. Aku cuma ngeliat-ngeliat. Berarti dia menolak ya? Menolak offer.
Alpha, decline.
Number 2. Can you come to the recital this evening?
I'm supposed to be working on my research this evening, but you know, I think a break would be nice.
Alpha.
Alpha, accepting the invitation. Kita coba dengar lagi.
To the recital this evening?
I'm supposed to be working on my research this evening, but you know, I think a break would be nice.
But a break will be nice. Berarti dia menerima ya. Dia sebenarnya sibuk, terus dia mikir, oh tapi istirahat kayaknya menyenangkan deh. Kayak gitu. Good.
Number 3.
That author we both like is going to be signing books at Appleton's bookstore this afternoon.
I'm not busy this afternoon. Why don't we go?
I'm not busy. Why don't we go? Oke, kata why don't we go ini apa? Menolak atau membuat sugesti? Membuat saran.
Membuat saran.
Oke, di chat juga Kak Rara ngomong bravo. Good?
Number 4.
Mark, would you mind taking care of my tropical fish next week? I'm going to be out of town.
Oh, no. I wouldn't mind at all.
Bravo.
Oke, kenapa bravo?
B.
Kan dia nanya would you mind, terus dia bilang oh no.
Oke,
Berarti
good.
negatif positif.
Oke, good ya. Betul sekali. Bravo.
Number 5.
I need to get more exercise.
You could always try bicycling. That's great exercise.
Bravo, making a suggestion.
Oke, you can always. Nah, you can titik-titik berarti itu adalah making suggestion.
Number 6.
Can I see the photographs you took on the field trip?
If you want to, why not?
Kalau kamu mau, kenapa enggak? Berarti
Alpha.
Alpha, agreeing to a request. Kalau turning down artinya apa? Turning down.
Declining, menolak.
Oke, good. Turning down sama kayak declining.
Number 7.
I can't seem to get my car started.
You know what I'd do, Ed?
You know what? I'd do it.
Alpha.
Oke, kenapa?
Minta saran ya. You know what I do it gitu katanya. Minta saran ya, bukan?
Oke, you know I'd do it. Coba kita ulang.
Number 7.
I can't seem to get my car started.
You know what I'd do, Ed?
You know, I do it. Kamu tahu, aku akan melakukannya. You know, I do it. Lebih ke receive suggestion ya.
Number 8.
These math problems are hard.
Want me to give you a few hints?
Want me to give you hand? Berarti yang mana? Oke, offering.
Offering help.
Oke, menawarkan bantuan.
Number 9. Cynthia, if you have a class, I could take your brother to the airport for you.
Could you? That would be great.
Could you? That will be great.
Bravo.
Oke, kamu bisa. Makasih ya, itu akan sangat bagus. Berarti dia accept ya, positive respond.
Number 10.
Should I turn on the television?
Please don't.
Please don't. Tolong jangan.
Alpha. Declining an offer.
Oke, yang lainnya bisa mengikuti? Teman-teman yang lain? Kak Flo, Kak Rara, Kak Atika, Kak Aulia. Oke, bisa.
Number 11.
You could save a lot of time at the grocery by making up a list before you go.
It's worth a try, I guess.
That's worth a try.
Alpha.
Oke. Berarti ya nomor 11 ya, alpha. Soalnya positif ya.
Number 12.
Bob, get me a cup of coffee, will you?
Who do you think I am? Your waiter?
Bravo.
Oke, who do you think I am? Your waiter? Kamu pikir aku siapa? Pembantumu. Kayak gitu ya. Pesulungmu. Oke, berarti dia menolak. Good.
Number 13.
I'm going to go out and get something to eat. Want to come?
I've got a better idea. Let's have a pizza delivered.
Let's have pizza delivered.
Alpha. Making a suggestion.
Oke, alpha. Making suggestion. Good.
Number 14.
My arm still hurts.
I'd get it x-rayed if I were you.
Halo? Kedengeran? Tes.
Dengar.
Oke. I got x-ray if I were you. Oke, jaringan Rara ya.
Bravo.
Kalau aku jadi kamu. Kalau aku jadi kamu berarti giving suggestion. Oke. Good.
Number 15.
You know, Paul, if you want your houseplants to grow, you should move them over by the window where they get more light.
Now, why didn't I ever think of that?
Bravo.
Oke. Why didn't I ever think of that? Kok aku nggak mikir itu ya dulu? Berarti positif ya.
Iya.
Number 16.
Have another sandwich, James.
Thanks. Don't mind if I do.
Thanks, don't mind if I do.
Apa tadi ya yang terakhir?
Oke. Don't mind if I do. Thanks, don't mind if I do. Oke, jangan keberatan kalau aku ngelakuin. Kan dibilang sama perempuan ya?
Iya. Bravo.
Oke, tadi ditawari sandwich. Terus dibilang, terima kasih, don't mind if I do. Jangan keberatan ya kalau aku makan, kayak gitu. Berarti dia positive responnya.
Iya.
Sekarang ke pertanyaan yang mendekati TOEFL. Kalau tadi kan masih memisahkan, yang mana nolak, yang mana nerima, yang mana membuat.
Exercise 7.2. Number 1.
Do you mind if I smoke?
As a matter of fact, I do.
What does
Oke.
the man mean?
Tadi dibilang I do, pertanyaannya mine ya. Negatif dijawab positif, berarti hasilnya negatif.
Negative response.
Oke, he doesn't want the woman to smoke.
Number 2.
My blue suit hasn't come back from the cleaners yet.
Well, there's always your gray one.
What does the woman say about the gray suit?
Charlie.
Oke, harus digunakan. Kenapa?
Ada yang abu-abu. The gray
Oke.
one.
Jaket biruku belum balik dari laundryan. Terus si cewek bilang, kan ada yang biru. Nah, berarti yang biru dipakai aja.
Yang birunya sudah pakai.
Kan Charlie ya.
Number 3.
You know, one of the best things about this cinema is the great popcorn they have here.
It does smell good. Let's go get some.
What does the man suggest they do?
Charlie.
Charlie, buy popcorn. Oke, let's get some. Sama kayak membeli.
Number 4.
We need someone to plan the class trip.
How about Kathy?
What does the woman say about Kathy?
Alpha.
Oke, kita membutuhkan seseorang yang bisa merencanakan perjalanan kita. Bagaimana dengan Kathy? Oke, tadi bicarain tentang perjalanan, terus ditawarin Kathy, berarti Kathy dipikir bisa untuk membuat rencana perjalanan. Good.
Number 5.
Shall I make some more coffee?
Not on my account.
What does the man mean?
On my account. Kira-kira yang mana?
Alpha.
He doesn't want more coffee. Oke, not on my account itu menolak ya. Oke, not on my account artinya menolak. Berarti dia nggak mau kopi lagi. Bukannya mentang-mentang dibahas account, bukan membayar ya, bukan credit card kayak gitu. Ini beda. Ini peribahasa.
Number 6.
Should I open the window? It's getting a little warm in here.
Don't bother. I'll do it.
What does the woman mean?
Don't bother, I'll do it.
Bravo.
Bravo.
Oke, I'll do it. Dia yang bakal lakuin. Dia yang bakal buka jendela.
Number 7.
I don't know what to order for lunch. I'm tired of sandwiches.
What about some vegetable soup?
What does the woman mean?
Oke, nomor 7.
Charlie.
Oke. Aku bosan nih sama sandwich. Terus si perempuan bilang, bagaimana dengan vegetable soup? Berarti vegetable soup-nya kemungkinan bakal disukai sama si laki-laki.
Si laki-laki.
Oke, kalau harga nggak dibahas ya yang alpha. Kalau yang bravo, justru dia tahu ya. Tadi dia bilang vegetable soup. Di pilihan itu si ceweknya nggak ngerti. Padahal dia sendiri yang nyebutin.
Number 8.
I'm going to clean my living room this afternoon.
Shouldn't you clean your kitchen too?
What does the woman suggest?
Shouldn't you?
Alpha.
Oke.
Alpha.
Alpha semua? Oke, alpha ya. Kamu harus membersihkan kitchen juga. Karena kitchen perlu
Number
dibersihkan.
9.
Do you know where the registrar's office is?
It's across campus from here. Would you like me to show you on this map?
What does the man offer to do?
Charlie.
Oke, would you like me to show you on this map? Apakah dia mengarahkan si perempuan untuk mendapatkan mapnya sendiri?
Bukan.
Berarti ya?
Bravo.
Oke, bravo. Help her. Membantu dia menuju ke register office. Mungkin teman-teman nggak baca sampai akhir ya tadi ya?
Iya.
Oke. Bukan ke mapnya, tapi ke tempatnya.
Number 10.
Well, that's it for our chemistry homework. We should work on our math problems next.
What about taking a little break first?
What does the woman suggest they do?
Little break first.
Charlie.
Charlie.
Number 11.
Oke, little break. Berarti mereka istirahat dulu. Istirahat dulu berarti nggak belajar beberapa waktu dulu ya. Mungkin sampai 1 jam, 2 jam nggak belajar. Kalau chemistry berarti kebalikan ya. Kalau ini langsung dikerjakan. Kalau yang bravo tadi break ya. Istirahat first, bukan breakfast.
Do you think this toaster can be repaired?
If I were in your shoes, I'd just buy another one.
What does the man suggest that the woman do?
If I were you, I'll just buy the other one.
Number 12.
Alpha.
Alpha.
Oke. Buy the other one berarti membeli yang baru. Toaster ya, bukan shoe. Kan dibilang, if I were on your shoe, ini cuman peribahasa. Kalau aku jadi kamu, bukan berarti mau beli sepatu ya.
Beli sepatu, tapi
Would you mind if
mengumpamakan.
Oke. Nomor 12.
Read your magazine?
No, go right ahead.
What does the man tell the woman?
Kedengaran?
Bravo.
Oke, bravo. No, do you mind if I read the magazine? No, go ahead. Enggak, silakan membaca. Go ahead, silakan. Berarti dibiarkan ya, diizinkan untuk membaca. Good.
Number 13.
You know, I think I'm going to get a new computer desk. This one is too small for me to work at.
What about buying a computer instead? Yours is practically an antique.
What does the woman suggest the man do?
Oke, yang mana nih?
Bravo ya.
Oke, perempuannya bilang tadi kan, kenapa nggak sekalian beli komputer aja? Punya kamu udah antik. Yours probably antique.
Yours probably.
Yours ya, punyamu. Nah, tadi karena bahas komputer, terus dibilang yours, berarti komputermu. Walaupun yang cowok pertama bilang dia mau beli mejanya ya.
Number
Ditanya.
14.
Christopher, want to come to the library with Tim and me? We're going to study for our biology test tomorrow.
I think I'll pass on that. I spent the whole weekend going over my biology notes, and tonight I'm just going to relax.
What does Christopher tell the woman?
Charlie.
Oke, dia bilang apa tadi?
Dia udah belajar sepanjang minggu, jadi mau relax dulu.
Oke. Want to relax. Kalau relax berarti nggak belajar. Good.
Number 15.
Someone should answer these letters.
Don't look at me.
What does the man mean?
Don't look at me.
Bravo.
Oke, don't look at me itu peribahasa untuk menolak ya.
Bukan saya.
Don't look at me berarti dia nggak mau membalas surat tersebut.
Oh.
Oke, begitu ya. Ini kurang dari semenit, boleh left, langsung join ya.
Oke.